Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see how to make dumbbells at home. Firstly, all materials are available at local hardware store. If you want to make a pair of dumbbells, you'll need 4 3 to 4 inches T-joints. Galvanized steel acts as handle anchors. 2 12 inches pipes with 3 to 4 threads from the dumbbell handles, and 1 rubber pipe reducer from 6 inches x 3 inches which acts like the cement mold, and 1 bag of Portland cement. Now, screw 1 T-joint on each end of the threaded pipe. This will help secure the cement once it hardens. Now set up support so the pipe sits perpendicular and about 1 inch from the bottom of your mold. You can use styrofoam pieces and tape to hold it in place for now. Now in a bucket, mix Portland cement with water until it reaches a thick, pourable consistency. Fill the rubber reducer mold with the cement mixture and make sure the pipe remains centered while the cement sets. After the cement hardens, cut away the rubber mold carefully to reveal your half dumbbell. To ensure balance, you'll need to cast the second half of the dumbbell. Place 2 concrete blocks side by side and reset 2 broomsticks across them. Suspend the half dumbbell between the broomsticks so that the bottom T-joint is positioned perfectly for the next pour. Now mix another batch of cement and pour into the rubber mold on the other side, and make sure both ends are even and symmetrical. Leave it to dry for at least 24 to 48 hours before handling or coating. And once both sides are fully dry and secure, dip or spray the dumbbells with plastic dip or a rubber coating for comfort and protection. You can also paint them or add labels for weight markings. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.